Hi students.
Hi sir.
Take position first. 2 1s are 3 plus 2. 4 minus 2. 2 2s are 4 by 4. Very good. 1 plus 2. Out by sure. 2 plus 2. 4 by 4. Very good. 1 plus 2. Moving out. Naga Santosh is winner. Very good, Naga Santosh. Hi students.
Hi sir.
Are you ready to play?
Yes sir.
First come into the circle. Front jump. Basket out. Back jump. Left jump. Circle. Right jump. Left jump. Very good. Circle. Front jump. Back jump. Left jump. Circle. Front jump. Out. Front jump. Back jump. Left jump. Circle. Front jump. Out. Harshavardhan is winner. Come on, start the game. Come on, count the balls.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6
Okay, the winners are
Mahidar Basa
Bhaskar. Very good. Good morning, students.
Good morning sir.
మీ ముందు 2 ఐస్ క్రీమ్ స్టిక్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా,
Yes
ఆ
sir.
స్టిక్స్ ఉపయోగిస్తూ ఒక కప్పులోని బాల్స్ ఇంకొక కప్పులోకి రీప్లే చేయాలా, మార్చండి. ఓకే, కమాన్ ప్లే. Okay, Mubina is the winner. Very good, Mubina. Super.